Let me down. Let me down.
What's up guys, it's your boy Prab back with another video after like a month because I had my pre-boards. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify using Discortics and the AI feature in Discortics. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, these all are the verification commands that Discortics provides. Discortics gives us a very unique feature of tracking alls through their IP. VPNs and proxies can also be detected by the bot, which will lead to the failure of verification and kick or ban the person accordingly. This can be set up by using verification action, kick or ban. So to set this all up, we need to first set up the verify logging channel. As it says over here, set a logging channel to enable the system. If the channel gets deleted, the verification will cease, meaning the verification system will stop working. So don't delete the channel you set up for verification. Verify log and then the channel name. Okay, now hashtag general is our new verification logging channel. Now we need to add a verify role. This role will be given to every person who verifies. I haven't really made a new role, so let me just give this role. Now every person who verifies will be given this role automatically. Now this feature provides us with the minimum age of the user's account to stay with the server, in the server. So we can write over here verify age and then 30 days. So now every account that is made before 30 days will be automatically kicked from the server with this verification system. Now we can set up verification action, kick or ban. Now let us set it to kick, verify, action and then kick. Now every user who fails verification will be kicked from the server. Now you can use verify disable to disable this whole system. And if you don't want a friend of yours to do the verification, you can simply use v manual and then mention the user so it automatically verifies it. The system also provides youngest command and oldest command. These commands can be used to see the oldest members in the server and the youngest members in the server. Now that's all for this verification system. It's awesome, so you should really try this bot. Now let's move on to artificial intelligence. So these are the commands for artificial intelligence on Discortics. Now you can find many bots on Discord with AI feature, but not with such a modern user interface like Discortics. The bot also refrains from any NSFW 18+ talks. Also, I won't be showing 20 questions, battle dome and wordplay in this video as they are still under development. So we can start talking with the bot by just pinging it at Discortics. Hi. And you can see it replies very fast. We can also make it remember things like remember that Jason is naughty. Now it has learned that Jason is naughty. Now let's ask him again at Discortics, what is Jason? Naughty. It replies back really fast and it improves the chat by collecting all the data we put into it. You can chat more with the bot, and trust me, you wouldn't even think it's a bot as its conversations are so realistic and improving day by day. And that's it for the video. Check the link in description to add the bot to your server and subscribe for more such videos. Peace out.